Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So this reading is for all the Pisces people, Sun, Moon, Rising, and we will be looking at what is December bringing in for you. So we will look at the theme, a challenge coming your way, a blessing, and a message from your spirit guides. So let's begin. Let's see what do we have for Pisces. Theme, challenge, blessing, and let's look at what your spirit guides are wanting you to know. Okay, so for the theme we have the love. Wow, amazing energy, guys. And I would say very feminine energy, very feminine. Just look at the cards, they are so similar to each other. Look at the cards, very similar to each other. So yeah, I think it's going to be a great month for you, that's for sure. Okay, and it's going to be very feminine energy as well, so it doesn't matter whether you are a male watching this or a female. Okay, I'll start with the theme. So with the theme we have loving woman. I do feel, okay, let's clarify the loving woman first. I do feel that you are going to attract a lot of amazing people in the month of December. For some, I also feel that your Venus is going to be very strong. Okay, there's going to be some beautiful change in your Venus energy. So probably you'll experience some kind of luxury, you will experience some kind of status, some kind of recognition as well. Okay, your creative energy is going to increase. Okay, it's going to increase a lot. So I do see that you will be doing a lot with abundance. You will feel abundance as well, you will feel abundant. Okay, people will be drawn to you, people would want to interact with you, people would want to talk to you, they would want to get to know you. You will see that animals are also coming towards you. So you will have that kind of an aura where you will attract people in your energy. Okay, but also when you attract people in your energy, that is the time when you also have to understand that you have to take care of your aura a lot. Okay, because sometimes when we are not taking care of our aura, what happens is we also start attracting people who wants our light. Okay, who wants that positive energy from us. And so you what happens is that the barter system happens. You take the negative and they take your positive. So make sure that you are working a lot on your aura. Okay, if you want to learn Reiki, I would really suggest Reiki, something which is very helpful. I do teach Reiki. If you're interested, you can check that. It helps a lot to have a very good protective aura. Okay, so that is there. Now coming to the tarot, we have King of Wands, we have Justice, and we have Two of Swords. I do feel that for some, I do see some love situation as well. So there has been someone, probably Aries, Leo, or Sag, who has been very stuck. Okay, or who has been very confused about you. They want to take an action towards you. You are their wish come true as well. They want to give you justice as well, but then again they are afraid if they are going to get the justice or not. Okay, because I don't know why, but I also feel that this person feels that there are a lot of people who like you, who loves you. Okay, so you might choose someone else over them. So that kind of energy is there, though definitely this person is praying for you, this person is hoping for you, this person wants you. Okay, for some, I also feel that this person literally worships you. Okay, they see you as the divine god or the divine goddess. So that kind of energy is definitely there. Okay, now let's see, and you will also increase your goddess energy. Okay, or the god energy. For some, especially for the male, if you're a male watching this, okay, I do sense that You may increase your Devi sadhana, or you might want to worship Devi. That is going to be something which will be very helpful for you. Let's see the challenge here. So the challenge is optimism. Let me clarify. So we have King of Cups, we have Wheel of Fortune, we have Three of Wands, and we have Three of Pentacles. Now, the challenge, if I talk about the challenge here, is already, everything is good is happening in your life. Everything is good is happening. No. Everything is already working in your favor. Okay? Good things are happening in your life. It's all about positive vibes and everything, and I do sense that there's some person who wants to bring a change in your life. They want to make your life better. They want to be with you. They want to spend time with you. They want to travel with you. They want to see where this connection goes, with a genuine intention, of course, with genuine efforts as well. The only thing is that you are being dicey about it, and the only reason why you're being dicey about it is because you have certain self-worth issues. Okay, you're not really trusting yourself. You're not really trusting that you have the power to manifest this kind of person or manifest this kind of love in your life. Probably something happened in your childhood where someone made you feel like that, and that trauma is still lingering on. That trauma is still there in the subconscious. So even if something good happens in your life, you will start you will start you will start judging the person. You will start doubting your own destiny. You will start doubting the person as well. Either you will become too positive or you will become too pessimistic. For some, I also see that there's a lot of positive toxicity as well. Okay, so even if you have to see things from a different perception, I'm not talking about this reading, but I'm talking about in general. Either you will start adapting to positive toxicity, or you will become extremely pessimistic, extremely negative. Okay, so that is something that is going to be a challenge for you. Now coming to the blessing, we already have great gratitude. I do see a lot of birds and fruits here, so probably there's going to be a change in your health as well. Some of you are becoming more attractive. Your face will be glowing. You will be doing something about your health as well. So your hair growth is going to be amazing. If you have any kind of hair issues, if you have been working on your hair growth or hair health, it is definitely going to change. Your hair is becoming healthier. Your body is becoming healthier. I see you treating your body like a sacred temple. So that is going to be there. A lot of birds are going to revolve around you. You will see a lot of birds in the month of December around you. Okay, butterflies and birds. I see you eating a lot of fruits as well. Some of you may turn into vegan as well, or you may want to do intermittent fasting, or let's say going on a detox or something of that sort. Okay, so richness, when I talk about divine feminine energy, divine feminine is very particular about what she puts in her body. Okay, so that is definitely happening here. So I think you are going to have a very good connection with food also, with healthy food, of course. So let's clarify great gratitude. Okay, so here, if I talk about your blessing, I do feel that we got lovers here. Okay, so I do feel that two situations I see. Number one is you are overcoming your fears when it comes to love. Okay, probably there has been someone where you were feeling a bit skeptical about a person's intentions. What if this person breaks my heart? What if I have to go through the same thing again? What if this? What if that? So you are definitely slaying those demons. You are slaying those fears. Okay, if you look at this card, so you are not afraid anymore. You're not there's no fear anymore when it comes to dealing with the love of your life, or dealing in your love life. So you are all set to slay these demons, you're all set to kill these demons completely. You are facing your shadow with complete confidence, and that is going to be your biggest blessing. Okay, and that is when the true love arrives into your life. That is when you also get to taste the juice of true love. Okay, and this entire month of December is about that. It is about tasting the juice of true love. Okay, so whatever has happened in the past, it's all ending. Okay, and you will be receptive enough to let love come into your life. And overall also, I see you being very grounded. You will be very grounded, and there's some miracle element as well. Something unexpected can happen. For some, unexpected income is also on its way. Let's look at the card Delight. So let's clarify what this delight is. Okay, some news is definitely there. Okay, that is for sure. And I don't know why, but I do feel that there are certain people in your life, so they see you as someone who is very innocent. Okay, or they see you as someone ki okay ठीक है, ये तो बहक जाएगा या ये तो बहक जाएगी, this person will get carried away. So they use emotions a lot, or they would put you down. They would abuse you in a very humorous manner. They would use their witty jokes on you, but actually they are someone who are trying to bullying you, or they are trying to put you down. Okay, they are wanting to take some kind of revenge, and that is where you are winning. Okay, because now you can see the situation as it is. Okay, and whatever is happening, you are being able to gain all the information that is there, the information which is there on the face value, and the information that is coming from their intent. So now you have the clarity to read their intent. Okay, and when you know what the intent is, you do not put yourself into any kind of battle. You do not give them that much of importance. You do not give them that much of energy where you end up giving away your power to these people. So because there are certain people who really play some kind of dirty game with you, mind games, politics, and all of that, but you are winning at your game. Okay, I think you are prioritizing your own energy. You want to feel delightful in your life. You want to create that delight in your life, and even if you have to push away certain people, you won't hesitate to do that. So that was your reading. I hope it helps. I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care.